You don't need to watch business related video, you don't need to watch money management or money related video, and you don't need to watch stock market related video, and you don't need to watch any information from social media or anywhere. You just have to stop your learning and watching video. And right now you have to do just one thing, just you have to take action. Just you have to take action, because these all are distracted from your final goal. That means what you want to achieve in your life, you have clear purpose of goal and you have to achieve something. And you and me clearly know, if we are learning from too much, from everywhere, then we don't achieve anything in our life. Mostly we have to take action right now. What you have in your mind and what do you do in your life, just you have to start. Take action. Today is a world of overloaded of information. So without implementation of knowledge, just based off our knowledge and our time, 99% of the people in this world just taking information everywhere, and just 1% people who are doing in their life something. Take action. So if you take action right now, then you become 1% of this world. So you have to take action right now if you want to achieve something in your life. Here comes one more thing, that is called our progress. If we start what we have to do, then definitely you have to measure where your progress in your life, where you are, here or here. Now I imagine you are the 1% of people in this world. That means you will start taking action in your life. I hope you understand. All the best.